Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you about the Persistence 1 stake drop. I previously participated in the Kava, now I'm going to participate in the Terra Luna, and I'll show you guys how to do that in the video. It's pretty easy to do. So first we got to get our Luna tokens. We are going to withdraw these. You do have to set up a Terra Station Wallet. So let's go ahead and walk through the steps. We set up the Terra Station Wallet. Basically, you don't want to use the actual wallet here, so this is just a copied address that I had on here. So we can get rid of this data. Well, it's not going to change. Anyways, so how you create one is basically you just go to the dashboard and you just download one. There's a section where you can connect and you hit download and then do for Mac or Windows, and you simply just download it, and then it allows you to create a wallet. It'll make you save your I think it's 24-word seed phrase. You create a password, and that's it. Super easy to do. So now you have your Terra Station wallet. So now let's go and send some crypto there. So now we need to withdraw our Luna. I'm going to do the max amount of Luna. There is a transaction fee of 1/10 of a Luna. And I'm going to send that to my wallet on Terra Station. I'm going to copy my wallet address. I'm going to go ahead and paste it here, which is, I'm the recipient. I'm just going to say, hey, I don't care about the memo. And we're going to withdraw the Luna. Alright, so we confirmed the transaction. The withdrawal request was sent, and we're sending some Luna. So it does take some time, so we'll just wait and see what happens, and we'll get back to you guys. Now we're back on the Terra Station Wallet. Okay, so you can see the Luna they went through. Okay, awesome. That's fantastic. So that was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the wisdom one-liners. I didn't forget about this, guys. I left it to the end. So, Proverbs chapter 24, verses 21. By wisdom a house is built, and through understanding it is established. Through knowledge its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful treasures. I don't know. Could mean a couple things, guys. Go ahead and leave your comments in the description below. See what you think of the verse. What your thoughts are, how it pertains to you, and what you think or what it means. To me, what it means is if you're wise and smart and walking circumspectly and being careful about what you do, it just seems like, yeah, you'll gain treasures and you'll be blessed. That's just what I take from it. Sweet Caroline. Alright guys, this isn't karaoke, but anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you didn't like it, go ahead and hit that dislike button. But anyways, guys, I want to get 100 likes on this video. Is it possible? Show me. If not, whatever. Hey, maybe in the next one. I'll keep making them till it happens. Watch. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's free.